Hi viewers, welcome back to Tech again. Today I'm here with a useful tip for photographers who deal with a lot of raw images like NEF files where ultimately you need to convert it back to a JPEG file. So I'm using a Mac OS and I was trying to find different applications where you can download and convert your NEF file back to JPEG. But later on I find that the preview application in Mac has the facility to convert it. I will show you. Here I have a set of files like NEF files. So I will show you how to convert one specific file, one individual file into NEF into JPEG. Then I will see how to do a batch input of multiple files. So I take this file now. By default, you have to ensure that it opens in a preview application. Then you need to go over here on the file. Here you can see an option called export. Click on export. Then it brings you a window where you can see multiple formats available. So here we need to convert into a JPEG file. So I select onto that and you can set the quality of the file. Okay. Then I suggest you to put to the best quality and the file size will be nearby to your raw file. Like this file has a file size of 12.4 MB and this will come nearby to 11.6. And now click on save. Okay, so now you can see your file has been converted into JPEG. You can see that. Okay, now the next one I'm going to show you is how to I'm going to delete this one. Now I'll show you how to do a batch input where you can convert multiple files simultaneously back into JPEG. For that, select all your files, right click and select open with and click on preview. Now you can see your files has been stacked up over here. Close this one. Okay, we have 3 files now. So now what you have to do is first you need to select all the files. For that you have to go to edit, click on the option select all. You can see the selection is made on all the 3 files. Then you can go back on file, same option, export, where now the option comes like export selected images. Click on that. Now it prompt you to show which folder you want to save it. So I am going to select it on the desktop itself, but you need to ensure what format you need to save it with. So that can be seen when you click on the options here. Here you can see different options. So here you want JPEG, you're going to select that and ensuring you put the maximum quality and you click choose. You can see all the 3 files getting exported over here. I will close this, I will close this. I'll close the app itself and I'll just open one image. Now you can see you have converted this into a JPEG file. Guys, why I feel like this application, the preview app, the quality is maintained very much because I tried online to find different applications to convert your NEF file into JPEG for Mac. And I tried this Nikon application, but I felt it doesn't keep up to the standard. Like the quality is getting dropped. Here you can see I can show you both image files. I can show you the quality of the image. I open this particular file in the preview. Okay, then I go to open a new window and I open the file which has been converted. That is this one, I believe. Oh, no, we'll take not this one. We'll take a file which has been already converted. So I prefer to take this one. Okay, I open this one now. Over here, they close and go to the Finder. Take a new image, and I go to desktop, and I take the same file. Okay, last window here. See, if you see, the quality is not compromised here. You can see the quality remains the same, but when I try to convert it with other third-party applications, the quality is dropping very much. So in this one, your quality is very much maintained, and you are not required to download a new application, and also you're not required to go online to convert and give your image to the upload. All these factors have been minimized if you use the preview application convert option. Hope you guys like my video. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Please subscribe to my channel for new videos. Thank you.